Hello. Had a bet with my son about building a bike. Um, we're trying to just build a bike under $10,000 and see if we couldn't possibly get the bike to run somewhere in the 8-second zone for basically under $10,000. And basically, I was able to get this bike built for under $10,000. It's actually a 2000 Suzuki Hayabusa. I bought the bike used. I ended up giving $4,300 for the bike in stock condition. I paid a little bit too much money for it, but I wanted the frame to be a clean, registrable frame. So I spent a little bit more money buying the bike just because the chassis was a clean frame chassis. The bike, as you see it, it sets at basically it's 72 inches long, and we were gonna start off with a 1430, but quickly realized that we would have too much money in the bike and the motor. We would definitely I would definitely overrun the budget. So what I did was basically I started off with a basic stock motor on the bike, and I'll get into the few little changes that we did do to it, but basically the motor is a stock motor. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to show you the little tricks that I did to build the bike to use most of the stock components and to keep the bike at a reasonable price where basically anyone could afford to do this bike. And what I'll do is I'll completely show you the insides of the outside of it, so you can see that that's what I in fact done. What I said I was, what I claimed that the bike is, and the stock components that I used, I'll show you that I actually did use the stock components on this motorcycle. So just sit tight, and I'll be back in a minute, and I'll show you some of the internals on the bike, some of the little tricks that I used to get the bike where I needed it to be without spending huge sums of money on it.